We like to think of space as silent, empty, just a vast, cold void. But that's a lie. Out there, in the infinite black, things are happening that defy logic and terrify the soul. Strange signals, dying stars that refuse to die, and planets that sound like they were ripped straight from a nightmare. We understand so little of the universe, and what we do know is enough to send shivers down your spine. Let's take a deep dive into the abyss and see what's really lurking in the dark. Right at the center of the Milky Way, there's a massive black hole, Sagittarius A star. It's 4 million times heavier than our sun, and if you get too close, it'll swallow you whole. Quiet, invisible, and hungry. They are not alive, but white dwarfs act like dead stars on a rampage, stealing matter from nearby stars. When they've had enough, they explode in a supernova. Just a dead star, taking the neighbors down with it. Imagine a world under thick ice, with an ocean so vast it could hold twice the water on Earth. If there's life there, it's never seen the sun, just endless darkness. In 1977, we picked up a strange radio signal from space. It lasted 72 seconds and hasn't been heard since. Was it aliens? We still have no idea. Could have been a one-off, or maybe not. On HD 189733b, the winds reach over 8,000 kilometers per hour, and the rain is made of glass shards. You couldn't even survive a minute there. It's an inferno of glass storms. We're used to stars exploding, but some massive stars just disappear. No supernova, no black hole. They just vanish into thin air. Where do they go? No one knows. With that many planets, you'd think we'd have found aliens by now, right? But here we are, still looking. So what's the deal? Why haven't we found any sign of life? Here's a weird one. The dust from the moon smells like burnt gunpowder, but only in space. Back on Earth, the smell vanishes. No one knows why. There's a planet called 55 Cancri, and it's basically a giant diamond. Sounds amazing, right? Problem is, it's also 2,000 degrees Celsius. No chance of mining that glittering rock. Imagine a cloud of water vapor that's 140 trillion times the size of Earth's oceans, found 12 billion light years away. It's so huge, we can't even begin to wrap our heads around it. And where there's water, there's a chance for life. The universe isn't empty. It's not silent. We may think we're watching it, but what if something's watching us? Which of these facts blew your mind? Or do you know something even darker? Hit me up in the comments. And remember, out there, beyond Earth, the dark goes deeper than we can ever imagine.